So today I'm with Sharon Cowan, the president and CEO of Cleaning Business Consulting Group. And Sharon, you are heading up a special panel of experts with the Association of Residential Cleaning Services International, or called ARCSI, a division of ISSA, for a special webinar on April 20th at noon Central Time. This webinar is called Opening the Door to Commercial Cleaning. Tell us about this webinar and what anyone involved in residential cleaning will pick up from attending.
Okay, I'm really excited about this opportunity, and I thank ARCSI and ISSA for letting us do this, because ARCSI is for residential owners, and this kind of steps outside those parameters, because I've been doing this a very long time, and I get calls every week from residential owners who want to add commercial but don't know how to do it. So this is going to be your opportunity. This is a 2-hour workshop, and I've selected some panelists who have had good success, great success at moving from or adding commercial to their core business of residential cleaning. We're really thrilled to have Gosha Barron from Helping Hands in the Chicago area on the panel. Shelley Powell from Covenant Cleaning in Orlando. Shelley, like Gosha, has a very strong commercial division that she added. And RJ Patel from PCT Cleaning. And RJ has done the same thing. In fact, he has added another company that he'll tell everyone about. So the 3 panelists, along with myself, are going to cover the 4 main areas of information that you really need to have to get your commercial division launched. That is marketing, how you get the accounts, once you get them, or in order to get them, how you price them accurately and estimate, why you don't price the way you do price residential business, staffing, who do you get to clean at night, and why is it maybe not a good idea to use residential cleaners to clean at night. We're going to cover that, and there's some surprises in that area. And then quality and longevity. Once you get those accounts, how do you keep them? What are the strategies that you need to have in place to set yourself apart from your competition and keep them? So if you're considering jumping into commercial cleaning and want to know all about it and how to do it in 2 hours, this is going to be the best 2 hours you've spent in a long time. And free to ARCSI members, only $35 to non-members. That is the best value anywhere. You'll get a lot of content in 2 hours from the 4 of us, covering everything you need to know. So I hope you join us.